Suppose we have a line following robot. Suppose Fusion finds an obstacle on the line. Can we teach Fusion a way to go around the obstacle, regain the line, and continue line following? Let us find out. Let us look at the outline of the program we want. First of all, what's this? This is just to give me enough time to start filming. Okay, so we can delete that and ignore that. But the rest of it's important. We got repeat while it's true. If the touch sensor is not touching anything, then we go down an edge follow. If the touch sensor is not touching anything, we go down an edge follow. But if the touch sensor is something, we go into the avoid obstacle routine, and when that's finished, we come down and we edge follow. And we keep edge following like that. So that's the principle of what we want to do. The line follow, or more correctly, the edge follow function that we'll use is this one. It's pretty much the same as we've had before, so we needn't spend any time looking at that really. Fusion's touch sensor has hit something, and so the avoid obstacle function comes into practice. So the first thing we want to do is to back away, so we've got enough space for Fusion to turn. Then we turn roughly 90 degrees to the line we're following. We then start to go in a curve, just like the sort of curve we went around the moon in an earlier tutorial. And we'll keep going until we see while there's a value greater than 700. We'll keep going while there is white underneath our optical distance sensor. When our optical distance sensor sees black, it drops out and stops working. And that's what our avoid obstacle routine does. When we put them all together, we have the main program here, the avoid obstacle function here, and the edge follow function here. And when we go up and run this program, this is what happens.